Well, this shutter is missing a slat, and so we're going to make one slat. I could probably go to one of these antique shops or whatever. Probably find one, but then again, if I don't, then I've wasted all my time. So we're just going to build one. And it's not going to be. It's not going to be exactly like these with that little ridge in there. But we just want to fill up the hole. So let me get some measurements. 6.5 wide, 1 1/4 tall. We'll just make it 1/4 inch thick. Luckily that little eyelet is still there. I don't have any of those. I got plenty of these 1/4 inch staples. So we'll make that and bring it in, and I'll show you how to put it in this confined space. Okay, the length was 6.5, but we'll make them a little over 7.5 because we got to have the little dowels. Of course, one end's going to have a spring-loaded dowel. The other end's going to have a regular. We'll put the dowel into the. We'll make the dowel into the shutter slat itself. Looks like it's 1 inch and a little over 1/4, so we'll do 5/8. Now we just need to go back 1/2 inch from there. Then I'll get my dovetail saw and cut down until we have 3/16. Okay, we just want to keep whittling on it till we get it down to 3/16 in the center. Now we cut it 6.5 from here to here. We got to cut that all the way across. Now let's go ahead and sand and round the edges and sand everything, get everything ready, but not totally, because we still have to drill the hole. The quarter was going to be a 3/16 hole center of this, because we got to drill it in deep enough to put a spring in there so that this will be a spring loaded pin. Okay, we got it pretty well rounded up the way we want it. Now we've just got to find the center of this side and drill a hole in there. Once we get that set, it's going to probably end up being a 3/16 hole with probably maybe we're going to have to downsize a 3/16 inch pin to go in there so it'll be loose enough to be spring loaded. So we'll do this way first. Pretty much dead on. Get you a little piece of paper. Get you a little piece of paper and slide in there. If it's hitting at the top of the bottom, which it's sort of hitting in the middle, we're loose at the top, we're loose at the bottom, so we're not going to get much better than that as far as, you know, up and down. Now let's see if it's good with the front side. You can see it looks perfect on the front side, so that's great. So now we just need to back it up, find the center, and drill the hole. Well, I guess I could have gone by the drill bit. Drill bit's on there, and it, when the chuck hits the, so we're down about 2 inches. So we should be down plenty. Alright, now we just need our pin. Small enough spring to go in there. Okay, I found me a spring. Slide that in there. Okay, now we just need our pin to go in there.